Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a review on the Cvlife Optics Hunting Rifle Scope. It's 6-24x50 AOE red and green illuminated crosshair gun scope, and it comes with the free mounts. As you can see, it's really big. It's really nice. It comes in this box. Got all kind of knobs to make adjustments. You can use it in red or green. You can see the green's on in there now. I was going to show you how it looks through it, but I ain't no good with these scope things. It's really heavy. It comes with the caps to cover each end. You got the big end, and you have the small end. They're clear, so you can actually leave them on if you want to. Comes with your mounts to put them on your gun. And it comes with a cleaning cloth. This is a really nice scope. Well made and big. You can adjust it how close you want it, how clear you want it. So overall, it's a really nice scope. And this is my review. Thanks for watching.